got so burnt out that I remember I crossed the finish line and sabi ko na lang, I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted. Magpapabuntis na ako. It's like a month after, I did in fact get pregnant.
Wow! I mean, ikaw yung naging icon, I think, ng mga tao ngayon na parang you can do both. Parang ganyan. Oh, you can stay fit, you can carry a baby.
Yeah, if anything, I just really hope that, yun nga, that I inspired nga moms to get fit. Because more than just carrying a baby, it's also like fitness that you can use. There's so much more to fitness than just looking good.
Doon maraming na-inspire. But during the time that you were pregnant, people were like, oh my gosh, tama ba itong ginagawa niya? And when you gave birth to Primo and Primo turned out to be healthy, we were all like, pwede naman pala eh.
Actually, Mars, it's funny because I feel like even Primo wasn't enough. I needed to do it again and again before people
Yes.
got it. Okay, action!
Birthday na ni Iya! Birthday na ni Iya! Birthday na ni Iya! Ngayon! Get out!
Oh, diba? We told you guys that it was gonna be a birthday-filled month.
Yes.
Dahil nga birthday naming tatlo, we've celebrated. It was Mars's birthday first.
Yes.
And then Susie's.
Yes.
And now it's mine. Happy birthday to me. And grabe, I cannot... Mars!
Wait, the big 4-0!
Yes! 4-0. It's funny because my sister used to ask me, what are your plans for your 40th birthday? I'm like, oh, I don't know, no plans. It's like, no big deal. But now that I'm here, it's like,
Should I plan
like,
something?
no, I'm still not thinking about any plans. But I'm like, it is kind of like a
Yeah,
big
it
deal.
is, Mars.
It is.
Like, I remember 40 used to sound so old when I would look at my parents.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's old anymore.
Oh, not at all. At saka the way
It's not
people are
old.
looking now and staying
Yeah,
fit and
totoo
looking
yan,
beautiful,
Mars.
taking better care of themselves. Hindi na talaga ito yung mukha na 14 na
Yes.
alam natin
At
dati.
saka pati
Yes,
sa mga outfit,
Oo,
pati sa
oo,
get-up,
totoo.
ibang-iba na. Yung
Yes.
parang dati kasi alam na alam mo yung edad,
Yes.
base sa kanilang style.
Ngayon,
But now parang medyo may malilito ka na.
Oo, tayo na lang nakakaalam dahil sa site.
Oo.
Palayo ng
Medyo
palayo,
may mga
Mars.
clues ka na lang na makikita.
Ito may
Pero-
parang nakatago just in case may mag-cellphone.
Alam mo na yung
Akin
mga,
yun, akin
yung
yun.
mga roots,
Yes.
di ba? Or yung mga
Oo.
sakit-sakit sa mga ano.
O kaya
Tayo-
yung
tayo
mga
na lang
highlights dito
nakakaalam.
na hindi pa tinatanggap na kulay. Yan, kanina sa
Oo.
Mars, tignan mo.
Di
oh.
ba?
Paunti-unti pa lang naman sumisilip-silip ng
Oo,
konti.
oo. So tayo lang na nakakaalam. So yes, we are here to celebrate another year under the sun. Thank you guys. Welcome to another episode of Kami Ang Inyong Mga...
Yes! Alam nyo na yan. Alam nyo na ang sagot, mga
Yes.
Mars.
And for today's episode, nga, because we got to kind of choose what we wanted to
Yes.
talk about, itatanong nyo pa ba kung ano yung topic na gusto
May
kong
iba pa
pag-usapan?
ba? Kaya tayo walang ganap dito.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi
Payak
itong
ang ating-
episode ni Mars Iya, medyo magigilty kang
Hindi,
kumain.
alam mo kasi naikain ko na kasi lahat sa episode ni
Iba't ibang birthday, totoo naman.
Kaya
Totoo.
ngayon, i-work out natin doon.
Yes.
Correct.
Sa episode natin tungkol sa fitness and pregnancy.
Ganda.
Because I do know that, who was it that message on our YouTube that they were
Yes.
asking about?
Yes, I'm gonna look for it. Yeah.
Yes, about my pregnancy. But syempre, idadamay na natin lahat ng mga pregnancies natin
Totoo.
and how it was, the differences, and also the fitness throughout each pregnancy. Syempre, kung maka-each naman ako, sige, try natin i-discuss yung lima, diba? Oo.
Of course, when it comes to like being fit while pregnant, ikaw talaga ang poster girl.
And
As in,
actually,
ikaw talaga.
I didn't realize that until after.
Wala naman ako maisip na tao na nakikita ko na buntis siya, na nagpo-post ha.
I didn't think it
Oo.
was a big deal until I was going through my pregnancies, especially with Prima. Oh, Mars. Kasi nga, people were reacting. Of course, at the time, they were reacting very negatively.
Yes.
Oo, medyo marami kasing nagulat at hindi sanay. Kasi Mars, in reality, hindi kasi yun ang practice natin.
Yeah.
Like ako, ang growing up, ang namulatan ko or yung alam ko is that pag buntis ka, very fragile ka. Hindi ka pwedeng masyadong
Yes.
magkikikilos.
Correct.
Kasi nga parang may bata sa sinapupunan mo, delikado. So parang may fear sa bawat tao. Lalo na kapag first time mom ka na parang,
Kung may mangyari.
yes, parang sa'yo ang sisi nun,
Yes.
diba? And then, here you are, getting pregnant with Primo, working out,
Yeah.
malaki yung tiyan mo, pero may abs.
I'm like, paano nangyayari ito, diba?
Oo, na parang, it was actually a myth. Para siyang myth buster, yung ginawa mo,
Totoo.
Mars. For a lot of people, especially for those who were pregnant na sa generation natin, na
yes.
pwede pala.
Pwede.
I wouldn't have dared, definitely. Yung kasi, I guess, ang workout para sa amin na buntis, swimming,
Yeah.
yoga,
Yoga.
yung very gentle talaga, stretching, ganyan lang. So when I saw you running with a full belly, parang, syempre nag-worry din ako, okay lang ba yan? I mean,
Tama ba? Ano itong pinaggagawa ni Iya?
at naisip, oo, nagbubuhat. Baka mapaanak yan bigla. Kasi yun yung, di ba? Yun yung may isip mo kasi may nag-exert ng effort eh. What did your mom have to say about it? Kasi syempre, she's from an older
Ayan.
generation.
Ganon din yung tingin niya sa akin na, anak, pwede bang tigilan mo na yung pagbabuhat ng mga ganyan-ganyan? Huwag ka na mag-barbell. Ganon din yung mami ko. So magsama-sama kayong lahat ng mami ko.
Ito naman ang tanong ko, Mars. Ano ang nasa isip mo? Kasi at that time, I'm sure marami ang nagque-question sa ginagawa mo. Though maraming na-inspire, but I think that was after you have given birth.
Mars.
But during the time that you were pregnant, people were like, oh my gosh, tama ba itong ginagawa niya? Everyone's waiting for something to happen to prove na
Yeah.
this is just all wrong. And when you gave birth to Primo and Primo turned out to be healthy, we were all like, pwede naman pala eh.
And
Parang
then,
siyang naging guinea
Mars,
pig.
Actually, Mars, it's funny because I feel like even Primo wasn't enough. I needed to do it again and again and again before people
Yes.
got it.
Oo, medyo na-feel ko nga
Because
yan.
I feel like after Primo, parang ay,
first
chamba lang
baby
yan.
niya.
Chamba lang
Tsaka
yan.
nakasanayan niya kasi yan nung dalaga siya, kaya tuloy na lang niya.
And so I felt I had to do it again and again and again. And it wasn't until then that people were like, she knows what she's doing. Okay, this is nothing new to her. It's okay. I guess we don't have to worry because this is not the first time.
Yes.
But I have to admit, Mars, which is really what I want to talk about today, is the fear that I went through because of that. And the fear that I had to fight through because of that. Because of what could have happened. You know, what I could hear, what people know.
So you were working out while pregnant, pero you had a fear inside you while you were
course,
working
yes.
out.
Baka may
So
mangyari
parang
pa rin.
Yes.
Hindi ka rin sure. Parang
Hindi rin
ganon.
ako sure. Hindi rin ako sure kasi syempre, lalo na with my first. And like I said, with every pregnancy, it's always different.
That's right.
So malay ko, you know, if my pregnancy with Duday would be a little bit more difficult compared to my pregnancy with Primo, for who knows what reason. Because I'm a little older, maybe my body can't handle the same stress as it did with Primo or with Leon. So for so many reasons, but I was fearfully working out through those semesters. Of course, with Mars, I would pray a lot.
Yeah.
Because I really believed that what I was doing wasn't wrong. And I really believed that I was there to inspire other moms to get fit. Which is why I would always tell everyone that it's not about, parang, you know, people would be like, wow, she's doing that while pregnant. But did you see me doing that before I got pregnant?
Yeah.
You know, so that's really what, I know that that's what people found amazing. But it's like, did you forget that I was doing all of this before I got
Yes. At
pregnant?
saka
Totoo
hindi kasi
naman.
syempre, Mars, maraming hindi din nakakita kung paano ka mag-workout dati at kung paano mo tinaper down yun nung buntis ka. Pero sa amin, nakakashock pa
Parang
rin
wild
siya.
pa rin.
Pero parang sa kanya, uy, sobrang laki na ng binawas ng
Oh,
weights ko dyan.
tama.
ah.
Yes, yes,
Sobrang
yes.
grabe na rin yung in-adjust ko dito mula nung nagbuntis ako. But then again, hindi naman natin siya nakikita prior to that. So, hindi natin makita yung difference nun.
And also because Mars, at the time, it also happened during a time when social media became a thing.
Tama.
Diba?
So, kumbaga
Because
parang-
before that,
Launching, kumbaga, na-launch din
Yes,
into the
yes.
public.
Correct.
Oo.
To the public, yung ganito na, pwede pala yung ganito.
So maybe, I don't know of any person though. Baka meron kayang super fit na tao dati na nag-workout din siya while pregnant. Kaya lang hindi lang namin alam.
Yes.
Kasi wala pang social media or hindi namin siya fina-follow.
Yes, yes.
Ikaw talaga yung una naming nakita na ganon. Na,
Ikaw ba may kilala kang iba bago ikaw? Kasi syempre, for you to be empowered
Oo.
and think na kaya tong gawin, ibig sabihin nun, may nakita ka na nagbuntis at ginawa at okay naman.
actually, Mars,
Wala
wala,
din, diba?
wala akong maisip eh. Kasi
So
parang,
talagang in-experiment mo yung sarili mo, ganun ba?
kasi Mars, sa tingin ko,
kaya pala takot ng takot ka eh. Nakaka-understand talaga.
natakot din ako because of course, once people plant these seeds
Yeah,
of
that's
fear
true
in your
also.
head, it's like, oo nga,
You
what
start to doubt.
But what if?
Yeah.
Diba? Like, but what if nga something happens? What if? But it's funny because even my doctor, a lot of people think that even my doctor was in on this, but even my OB was scared. I'm here to tell you,
Pinapatigil ka rin
even
ng
my OB
OB
was
mo.
scared. Oo.
Parang awa mo na.
But
Yung
Mars,
track record ko,
But gusto kong balikan nga, Mars, yung sinabi mo na, yun nga, before getting pregnant, I mean, I don't want to syempre boast about it, but I was extremely fit. I was my fittest before I got pregnant. That was when I was still doing triathlons. And you know, the training
Tatandaan ko
hours.
yun,
so
Mars.
good at it.
Tumakbo to, nag-marathon to first time ata.
Hindi
Tapos siya yung
marathon,
first
Mars.
place ba yun?
Basta triathlon. So it was
Tapos siya
a
yung
half
hawak nung
Ironman.
thingy na gano'n.
Half
Oh,
Ironman.
ganon. Yung finish line.
Lahat
Ayun,
naman
half
pinapahawak in
Ironman.
fairness. Nag-half Ironman ka ba?
Yeah, I did too.
Where?
So can I be counted as one whole Ironman?
Pwede rin. Pero magkaibang araw at taon.
Sa isip mo na lang yun. Oo.
But Mars, I was my fittest before getting pregnant. And I remember because kasi napagod din ako sa training. Napagod ako sa training, Mars, kasi mahaba yung training hours ng triathlon. Especially if you're training for the longer distances. I got so burnt out that I remember I crossed the finish line and sabi ko na lang, I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted. Magpapabuntis na ako. Thinking, okay, pag nabuntis ako, I can
be
relax.
spared.
Magpapahinga na ako.
Magpapahinga ako. Pero, yeah, like a month after, I did in fact get pregnant.
Wow!
Oo.
Champion talaga to, no? Pag may naisip siyang gawin, magagawa niya.
Manifesting lang yan, mga
grabe.
Mars at
Ibang
Mars.
klase.
Just put your mind into it. Focus ka lang doon. Mangyayari siya.
Sometimes you just have to,
totoo yan.
say it and it'll happen.
True.
But
At saka uber healthy kasi kayo. That's what I mean
I'm
for people
sure.
also who are having a difficulty getting pregnant. Yun
Yes.
talaga dapat optimal yung katawan mo. Grabe
Yes,
yung performance.
I'm sure that also helps. And then, so coming from that kind of training, I did lower the intensity by a lot when I got pregnant. And then as I worked out through that pregnancy. But yun nga, from what people see, it still looks intense. But I brought it down a lot. So that's why I also want to let the other mamas out there na you don't get into it hard.
Yes.
You build the base before you get pregnant. I really recommend Mars, diba? That's why you would love to get pregnant again now because you want to know how it would
Para
feel.
ma-experience mo yung ganong may fit base ka.
Oo, kasi talagang nag-struggle ako ng pregnancy ko, Mars. Ang daming masakit sa katawan ko, ang sakit ng likod ko, ang bigat ko.
Which you thought was
Recovery is
normal.
longer. Yes, recovery is longer kasi nga mabigat ka.
Yeah.
Wala kang core.
Oo.
So, dahil wala kang core, bubuhati mo yung anak mo, yung mga baby carrier. Oh my gosh. And I know a lot of moms can relate with that. Ang sakit sa katawan. Kung CS ka, mas matagal ang recovery ng core mo.
Yeah.
So, all the more na mas mahihirapan kang magbuhat.
Oo.
So, parang, hindi ko kasi nakita yun, Mars. Dahil syempre, natakot din ako. Ako, isa lang ang ano ko dito. Hindi
At
ko
saka
pwedeng...
hindi din yun yung alam mo.
Yes. At saka pag ginawa ko to at may mangyari, sa akin ang sisi nito.
For sure.
So, parang,
minsan nga kasi, kaya yung
scared.
worry din ni Iya is, minsan nga hindi mo alam, naglalakad ka lang, may nangyari sa'yo. Parang,
Yeah.
Di ba kung how
Yeah.
you're gonna carry that baby? So every birth that we have is such a blessing. Kasi
Yes,
hindi naman
absolutely.
lahat na i-carry full term. For instance, lalo pa, pag dinagdagan mo siya ng factor na baka contributing factor doon.
Yes.
Minsan nga wala kang ang ginagawa. Nangyari pa yun eh.
And
Paano
not
kung
only that.
sisihin yung workout?
Exactly. Kunwari, hindi yun yung totoong dahilan.
Oo, oo,
Diba? Iba
oo.
naman talaga
Yes.
yung reason.
Oo.
Pero
There's
dahil
some
ginawa
other
mo,
kind of
Yes.
complication.
doon
They're
pa rin
gonna-
siya, sabi kasi sa'yo eh,
Yan.
dapat di mo siya
Yan.
ginawa.
Yes,
tama.
So Mars, what's your advice to syempre doon sa mga Mars natin na gusto palang mag-baby and they want to at least try to have a healthy pregnancy and a fit pregnancy? Paano sila magbe-build ng foundation?
I would really say, Mars, to get strong and get healthy before you even become a parent. Because you're already trying to, diba, you want to take care of what's going to house your baby. Diba? So, I mean, it really doesn't have to be complicated. Walking.
Yeah, for
It
sure.
starts with walking. Yun nga, if you want to do Zumba, if you want to dance. And then if you want to...
Swimming, yan,
Yeah,
classic yan sa
swimming.
buntis.
If you want to get strong, then you lift weights and don't be afraid to go heavy. Don't be afraid of the discomfort and the pain that you will go through as you work out because it's part of it. And I feel, Mars, that it's such a huge part of how I live through stress outside of the gym. Because the same anxieties and the stress that I experience in the gym and how I deal with that stress, it's like, well, you know what?
Practice for real life.
Yeah, I get to practice that. Diba minsan it's like, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to move on until I get this over and done with. So kahit anong gusto mong iiwas dyan, hindi yan. It's not gonna fix itself. You're not gonna get strong if you don't do or put in the work.
Agree.
So I feel I get to apply that also outside. So it's more than the strength that you gain inside the gym, it's also what you can take outside of the gym and apply in real life.
Kasi talaga siya.
Oo.
Isa sa mga inspiration ko dati, pag may nakakasabay ako sa bar 3 class na buntis.
Yes.
Ang hirap nung class na natin paminsan, di ba?
Mahirap yun. Oh my gosh, I've done bar with teachers.
Joy, di ba? Ang hirap
It's
ng bar 3.
hirap. Nginig of forever vibration mode.
Correct.
At saka ang when you work niya kasi, yung mga maliliit na muscles surrounding your bigger muscles. So
Yung
parang
movement mo, kaliit-liit. Pag nanonood ka nga, parang wala namang ginagawa yung mga yun sa loob.
half an inch, down an inch.
At taas na ang konti. Oh, grabe.
Sobrang liit lang.
Sobra. Tapos may mga, so minsan parang gusto ko na magpahinga. Pero makikita ko may kasama akong buntis pa minsan, hindi siya tumitigil. Wow, nahiya naman ako. So napaka-inspiring para sa akin nung buntis na nakaka-workout. Pero at least syempre, yung bar, at least the way I see it, meron kang modifications that
Yes.
you can do to kasi to
Yes.
accommodate the belly.
Because there are certain things that you need to avoid. Because the reality is, no matter what you do, when you're pregnant, your belly is going to grow.
Yeah.
And your abs will separate. So kahit anong gusto mong gawin dyan, kahit ipaglaban mo pa na, I have to have a six-pack. Well, hindi. You have to accept the fact that your body is changing and that it will separate.
Yeah.
So there's no point in trying to lose weight pa when you're pregnant. Don't stop the weight. You're gonna gain weight. Maybe control it.
Yes.
Oo.
I think ang healthy naman dyan is that ano yung mga dapat mo talagang tinatanggal. Like for some, like for me, yung last trimester ko, bawas na dapat sa kanin. Kasi mataas na yan sa sugar.
Yes.
At that point, ayaw mo nang palakihin masyado si bebe kung gusto mo ng normal birth,
Yes.
di ba? Para mas madali. And my lola would always remind me, kontian mo na lang ang kanin mo sa pagdating sa dulo. Mas madaling palakihin ang bata pag nasa labas na.
That is sage
And I'm like,
advice.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
very practical, very real. Kasi feeling mo pag buntis ka lahat, pwede mong kainin at
Oh,
okay
yes.
lang.
Sabi nga nila, eat for
No.
two, di ba?
No, it's not true. I used that same excuse with Nathan and it was very wrong. Like naramdaman ko talaga na parang grabe din yung wala kang self-control, wala kang disiplina. Masyado mong inabuso yung konsepto ng pagbuntis ka, bigay hilig na hindi rin pala talaga tama. Kasi you build that habit. And eventually it's so hard to, hindi ka na nakanganak pero grabe ka pa rin kumain.
Correct. Tama,
Yes.
tama.
Kasi nagbe-breastfeed ka pag gutom ka pa
Oh,
rin.
exactly. Sobra pa naman makagutom yung breastfeeding.
Parang carpentero
Oo.
levels yung kanin ko noon nung nagbe-breastfeed. Mars, merienda, kanin pa rin.
Oo.
Totoo. Alam mo, I remember my doctor before, sinabi niya na isulat ko yung mga kinakain ko in a day. Kasi pagdating ng third trimester, parang hindi mo na mapigilan yung weight gain. Para
Hindi
siyang,
talaga.
pag ganyan na siya, yung trajectory niya, kung dati pag ganun, pagdating ng third trimester, parang pag ganun na siya. Sabi ko, ba't ganito? Tapos, before pa pala nila, tinatry na i-educate tayo to be protein-centered. Less carbs ka, more protein. Ano yun? Hindi ko mag-get. Sabi ko, like, pag mag-merienda ako, anong kakainin ko?
Steak?
Mali.
Sa kalye, sabi ko, anong kakainin ko na dyan? Ang bananak yun, dyan ang kamote yun. Sabi niya, barbecue na lang. Although may sugar din yun, pero at least medyo karne siya. Hindi ako makaisip ng kung ano yung kakainin kong merienda. Na hindi siya pansit, na hindi siya tinapay,
Or kakanin.
diba? Hirap na hirap ako.
Champorado, lugaw.
Diba?
Oh my.
So hirap na hirap talaga ako. Sabi ko, hindi ko na maintindihan kung ano yung kakainin ko na protein rich. So
Yeah.
it's only now na, syempre ngayon, protein maxing yung mga tao. Yung mas itlog, yung mga ganyan
Yung
pala.
yogurt, cottage cheese.
Correct. May ganun pala na sources of protein na pwede mong meriendahin. Granola na merong yogurt, mga
Yes,
ganyan.
yes.
Na hindi ko siya maisip before nung, hindi ko po alam kung ano may meriendahin ko kasi. Sabi ko,
How was your pregnancy?
okay naman siya.
Were you fit before getting pregnant?
No, I wasn't exercising regularly.
Okay.
I wasn't exercising regularly. So when I got pregnant, ganun din, succumb to the eating for two naman and stuff until it was the doctor nga who would say, you're gaining so much weight so fast.
And this is why for those who haven't gotten pregnant yet, FYI, every time you go to the doctor, they're gonna weigh you.
Yes.
They're gonna weigh you.
Huwag kang matakot.
Oo,
They're
Kasi
gonna
talagang
weigh you.
medyo malaki yung jump niya from your previous
Yes.
weight kapag sa next visit mo.
Oo.
And then yung concept before was, di ba dati kasi ng concept yan na pag ang bata malaki, mataba, mas healthy yan. Ibig sabihin, pinapakain at mas inaalagaan yan
Yeah.
ng mga magulang niya. Until na-educate na rin yung mga tao na actually ang breastfed na mga bata, hindi sila masyadong tabain.
Yes.
Kasi nga, ano sila, parang mas efficient nila na digest yung milk, etc. So, ganun yung concept din dati at least sa amin. Pag syempre, pag mas malaki kang buntis, o at least ay hindi pinapabayaan ni Mr. to. Kaano to, busog ito, di ba? Tapos may nag-guess sa amin, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung sino.
Sa Mars?
ba to?
Sa Mars ba to?
Hindi sa Mars, sa unang hirit.
Okay.
May nag-guess, buntis ako, 7 months, laki ko. Maga, laki. Nag-guess.
I can't imagine Susie
Laki.
na
Ilong pa
malaki.
lang, mga 2 kilos to, ang laki. Tapos, laki nung ilong ko, wild. Sobrang
Lang wait.
ang laki. Tapos nun, dumating yung guest, artista, buntis din. Pero balingkinitan. So ito na yung fit mom na,
Okay.
ito na yung fit mom na
parang
sinasabi
kilala ko
natin,
na yun.
pero hindi pa masyadong uso nung time na yun. So sabi niya, buntis din daw siya. Buntis ka, ilang months ka? Mga 2, 3 months? 7, pareho kami. Pero, sino to? Tapos mamaya. Ayan. Sasabihin ko na lang, anyway, idol ko naman siya, kaya din naman ako nagpapayat dahil idol ko siya, si
yes,
Christine Jacob.
Okay.
Ilang anak niya na to?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung pang-apat ba niya, pangatlo.
Okay.
Tapos talaga, nahiwagaan talaga ako na,
Pwede palang ganyan.
bakit ganun? Sabi ko, pareho kami ng buwan, 7 months, pero balingkinitan siya. Tapos sobrang sumama yung loob ko. So sinasabi ko kay Jolina, magdangal na co-host namin sa unang hirit. Siya pinalungkot ako, sabi ko, Ben, nakakaya naman. Sabi ko, biro mo, pareho kami 7 months, as gato itsura ko. Tapos inano na lang niya ako. Alam mo ate, okay lang. Mas maganda yung ganyan, yung marami kang parang naipon para sure na healthy yung pregnancy mo. Parang ina-peace na lang niya ako because I felt so bad. Because I didn't think that a pregnant person could look so good. Yung bakit ganyan? Bakit mukhang model pa rin siya? Tapos yung chan lang niya. Siyempre, pag panganak niya, healthy din naman yung anak niya. So, she was my first concept of a person na pwedeng magbuntis, tas ang itsura ay ganun. Balingkinitan, pero chan lang yung meron.
Lumalaki.
Kasi si Madam Athlete, hindi naman tumigil yun mag-workout. Of course,
Tumatakbo
Oo,
rin ba
pero
siya?
syempre,
Swimming.
lahat, tennis. Pero hindi, wala pang social media nun. I don't think she's also the type to post stuff
Okay.
like that on social media. So I don't know, she must have continued, she's a swimmer, she must have at least continued that.
Yeah.
Pero ganun na yung concept niya na ganitong klaseng pregnancy. As in, so siya yung first person nakita ko. Pero ikaw lang yung nakita ko sa social media after that. Kaya nakaka-inspire na, pwede pala talaga.
Pwede pala.
But remember also, their base fitness was already so high
Yeah.
before they got
True.
pregnant.
Oo.
That's
Yun
the
talaga.
difference. Yeah.
Yun talaga ang pinaka basihan ng healthy.
But it's sad, no, Mars. Like, when I think about Susie and like how it made her feel, seeing that, there has to be something more to it. Why did it make you feel bad? Because parang for you, it's like, yeah, but I'm carrying.
Yeah.
Parang, isn't this supposed to be what's normal?
Because she looks so good. I think that's
That's
it.
the reality.
Wow.
Doon Mars is that ganito. Doon mo makikita na may ganitong option pala.
Oo,
yun lang
eh.
naman yun eh. Parang technically, ito lang yung alam ko. Ito yung
Yes,
nakasanayan ko. So feeling ko tama to. Pero pag nakakita ka ng iba na okay din
Oo.
at mas okay sa'yo, then you get to learn from that person and
Right.
eventually try that kind of
Oo.
strategy kung
Yeah.
sakaling magbubuntis ka ulit.
Oo.
But it's always something new for each one of us.
For sure.
Na pag may makikita ka na, there's nothing wrong with your
Oh,
body.
sure,
But
yeah.
up until you see someone looking better than you do in the same season of your life.
Exactly.
Diba?
Si Buntis din 7 months din.
Yes. And doon ka lang magkakaroon ng, ito yung naging disiplina niya eh. Ito yung naging choices niya eh. We are only a fruit of our choices.
That's true.
Diba?
That's
But
true.
it's never too late. Parang for me, yun lang din yung siguro pwede natin ma-pick up from that na not because someone looks better than we do, means may mali din sa ginagawa natin.
Oo, oo.
Pero may matututunan pa rin tayo sa kanila.
Yeah.
Nasa sa atin na lang yun kung gusto rin nating subukan yung ways nila.
Yes.
Correct. But after that, now I worked with Christine also. And then syempre, ganun pa rin. Medyo mas bilugan talaga ako and stuff. Tapos siya talaga, ganyan, bato-bato, maskulado, long and lean. Siya din yung naging inspiration ko after. To stay fit, parang she didn't need to wear Spanx. I always had to wear Spanx when I was working with her. Kasi kung umiipon dito yung tabako, tapos sabi niya, ang ganda ng posture mo. Sabi niya, kasi lagi kang straight body. Syempre, dapat straight body ako kasi pag gumanito ka, naiipon yung taba. So pag naka-interview, lagi nakaganyan yung katawan ko para hindi iipon ganyan. But she was so fit that she could slouch if she wanted to. Parang ganun. So she was also my inspiration. I couldn't remember though if that was, that was Nella I was carrying. So she was the youngest. So hindi ko na na-experience din yung paano ba yung maging ganitong klaseng fabulous buntis.
Oh,
Ganon.
fabulous buntis.
Which you are. Which you were.
Wow
Diba?
naman.
I mean, ikaw yung naging icon, I think, ng mga tao ngayon na parang you can do both. Parang ganyan. Oh, you can stay fit, you can carry a baby.
Yeah, if anything, I just really hope that, yun nga, that I inspired nga moms to get fit. Because more than just, carrying a baby, it's also like fitness that you can use. You're really going to be the one to benefit from that. Your family is going to be the one to benefit from that. When you're strong, when you're healthy, okay, maybe I can work on the being healthy. I do like to indulge a little bit, but there's so much more to fitness than just looking good.
That's true. That's true.
It's,
Actually,
it's
bonus
really
na lang
more
yun
than
eh.
that.
Oo.
Yung parang sobrang extra na lang na maganda yung itsura mo, but it's really the function, how you're able to move comfortably
Yeah.
around the house, the energy that it gives you.
Yeah.
Akala kasi natin dati, ako personally, pag nag-workout ako, hindi
Napapagod ka
mauubos na yung energy ko. Doon, tas pagod na ako buong araw.
Oo nga.
Kasi doon mo na tinodo
Correct.
lahat. Hindi totoo,
Hindi pala.
mga Mars.
Yeah.
It's weird, pero kasi di ba in a simple mind, parang, paano ka magkakaroon ng energy?
It doesn't make sense.
Eh, napagod ka nga. But it is true. It will give you more energy to last throughout the day. And I found myself, Mars, na mas hindi ako natutulog, hindi ako antukin. Kapag naka-workout ako ng umaga, kaya kong isustain yung energy ko all throughout the day. Ang antok ko, after 8, 9, yung tamang wind down na.
Perfect.
Pero dati, Mars,
Perfect.
gising ka, wala pang ilang oras, parang pagod ka na, hindi pa nagsisimula yung araw mo. Parang you're dragging yourself all throughout the day. Doon ko naintindihan na, ayun pala yung energy yung sinasabi nila na binibigay ng workout.
And don't you find also, Mars, that when you work out, it also somewhat influences the way you eat?
Agree.
Di ba?
Pag hindi ka nag-workout, na-notice ko pag hindi ako nag-workout, kung ano-ano din yung kinakain ko.
Di ba? And then even yung oras ng kain mo, iba. The kind of food that you eat, iba.
Yeah, tama.
When you work out, for some reason, I eat so much better when I do get my workout in.
Agree.
Ito yung napansin ko sa akin, Mars. Di, syempre, nag-workout ka, pinawisan ka, di ba? Tapos isipin mo, hindi ako kakain kasi sayang yung pinawis ko, di ba? Tapos ngayon, dahil medyo natagtag ka, so syempre, pagka nakita mo yung katawan mo, medyo maimpis, maliit ang tiyan mo, ganyan, parang, okay, ma-inspire ka ngayon, ma-inspire ka. The next day ngayon, aayos ka ng kain. Kasi nakabuelo ka na eh. Kailangan mong umabot dun sa punto na yon na may makita ka munang fruit nung sakripisyo mo para magtuloy-tuloy ka doon.
May momentum ka na ngayon.
Yun lang na-realize ko sa akin. Kasi kung kunwari, wala lang. Bloated. Ganun talaga, gabi. Kain. Diba? Tama. Bawi na lang bukas. Pero yung isang araw na yun, na natiis mo yung tamang pagkain, salad lang ako tonight. Or yogurt lang ako with konting granola. Ay, effective. Bukas ulit. Ayan na. You just have to find that sweet spot. That sweet breakthrough. Magtutuloy-tuloy na siya.
Diba? Domino effect siya.
Or if anything, huwag kayong masyadong atat makahanap ng results. Kasi it really, kasi minsan,
Tagal.
it really can take a while.
Yep. Months, yung iba, years, depending how much weight you wanna lose, diba? Tagal. Yung patience yata, yung pinakamahirap na part about getting fit.
And I think one of the things I've learned also pagdating sa aspeto na to, it's a mental thing. It's not a physical thing, mga Mars. It's a mental thing. It is. Mapapagod at mapapagod ka, mahihirapan at mahihirapan ka, pero yung isip mo yung kalaban mo eh. Kapag sinabi ng isip mo na ayoko na, ayoko
Ayaw mo
na.
na. Ayaw
Pero
mo
pag
na.
inisip mo, kaya ko to. Napapractice ko to sa bar, Mars. Kasi sa bar, di ba, parang, hold. Yung 8 seconds, parang 8 years, Mars. Tapos yung hinga ko talaga yung, kaya mo
diba?
to, Camille.
But
Kaya
Mars,
mo to.
but see that breathing? That same breathing na ginagamit mo sa stress dahil nga, ang sakit na nito. That's the kind of breathing that you can use when you're in a stressful situation.
Tama.
Kapag
Galing.
gusto mo nang paluin yung anak mo,
Correct.
that's the same breathing. Nagagamit
That's true. That's
Diba?
Galing. Nice one.
It's a mental thing. Almost a lot of things. And
Yes.
yung mga tools like breathing,
Yeah.
ito yung mga bagay na hindi natin na ma-maximize. Ako, Mars, may mga moments na feeling ko hindi ko na ma-maximize yung lungs ko. Yung hinga ko, ganun lang,
Mababaw. Mababaw lang.
Teka, tapos gaganyan ako. Kaya ko palang huminga ng... Tapos ang sarap, like, do that probably like 5-10 times. Your body will feel so relaxed.
Totoo.
Can I say, Mars, yan yung breathing ang ginamit ko sa panganganak ko kay Anya.
Really?
Yes. So you use that for any stressful
Wow.
situation.
And that is
You
one
just
of the most
breathe.
stressful situations
Yes.
that your body has to go through.
That's
when you're-
true.
You breathe
Giving
through
birth.
It
it.
relaxes your body.
Oo.
It gives oxygen to your entire body na hindi nare-reach na
Oo,
siguro ng
yes.
oxygen sa
Yes.
sobrang... Kasi pansinin mo, Mars, on a daily basis, ang hinga natin ganun lang until you're sleeping.
Oh.
Pag nakapansin ka ng taong masarap mahimbing ang tulog, malalim ang hinga niya.
Alam mo yung hindi nagtutulog-tulugan.
Yes.
Yung kita mo.
Makikita mo
Kasi
sa mga
mahaba
anak mo yung-
mahaba. Pero pag nagtutulog-tulugan, ang ikli Ang ikli nung ano nila.
And I think we fail to achieve that. Or hindi na natin nare-realize na, uy, hindi ko na ma-maximize yung breathing ko. Baka din minsan pag nagma-migraine ako, Mars, feeling ko, baka kulang lang sa hinga.
Oo. I love it. So basic.
Yeah, so basic. Pero hindi mo akalain
Hindi.
na malaking bagay pala
Yeah,
siya.
totoo. Actually, when you breathe nga tayo dahil city breathers na rin tayo sa
Yeah.
Yeah.
pollution, etc. Tsaka stress, yung pag-breathe natin, di ba sabi, hingang malalim. Ito yung lumalaki.
Yeah.
Pero actually, dapat yung chan mo yung
Yeah, the
lumalaki.
diaphragm, they
Yung
say, they
diaphragm.
call.
Di ba? Pero usually, pag hingang malalim, go! Ito yung
Yun na yun.
gumagalaw. It's supposed to be your stomach. So really, even stuff like that na hindi mo akalain na, syempre, you don't think about breathing.
Yes.
Medyo mali na yung ginagawa natin. So hindi na siya
Pasinger
optimal.
na yung diaphragm.
Correct.
Pero yun talaga ang tamang way of breathing, di ba
Oo.
dito?
Lumalaki yung
Parang
chan.
nahawakan mo nga yung rib mo, yung rib cage mo. You feel that expanding as you breathe.
Correct. Ikaw naman, Mars, when you were getting fit, staying fit throughout all the pregnancies, was there a particular child of yours na parang mas hirap ka dun? Mas tinamad ka nung time na yon? Or may particular pregnancy ka ba na mas malakas ka nung time na yon?
No, I felt, if anything, yung mga symptoms lang. Yun yung na-feel kong pagkakaiba. Like a primo, I didn't feel anything. No nausea, none of that. With Leon, may konti. Tapos padagdag ng padagdag with each kid. Parang ganon.
Iba ba ang pakiramdam mo kapag lalaki, iba pag babae?
Oh, good question.
You know what? Hindi ako sure.
Talaga?
But also because syempre si Duday at si Anya nasa like middle to end na siya sa pregnancies ko But I did feel na parang I was more nauseous. I think I think. In terms of recovery, I feel that I recovered fastest after Alana. I feel I grew the most in terms of size and in weight with Alana, but I feel like I also
Recovered faster.
recovered faster with her. And I don't know why. I don't know if it was because it was the pandemic.
Yes, maaari.
I don't know. And
Natatandaan ko nun, Mars, after mong manganak, may ginawa kang parang may ginawa kang parang cleansing Nagjeta ka nun
Nag-broth ka ba?
Parang
I know
ganun,
I did it.
nag-juicing siya, Mars, ng parang mga 2 linggo. Tapos pagbalik niya sa Mars, payat talaga siya kasi parang nag-detox thingy ka.
Maybe,
The
yeah, but I don't
bar-
really recommend that,
what's
Mars.
that?
But
Yeah.
I actually don't remember. I don't
The
remember
method,
na nga
something?
Barren method.
There you go.
Well, I
Oh.
really do follow their practices. So I have a red juice in the morning, and then hindi ko pa nga ginagawa yung yung oil pulling in the morning. Which I used, and then I used to have coconut cider. Tama ba? Coconut cider. I used to drink that with some honey. Basta may mga ganyan.
This is
And then
while you were pregnant.
After.
I think
After.
while and after. Ay, medyo lito na ako, Mars, kung ano yung,
Naalala ko lang
ano
nun
na yung
kasi
period.
nag-uusap kami.
But I
Mars,
was
mas
doing
mapayat
Barren
kasi
method.
nag-ano ako, Mars. I'm like doing a cleansing detox thing after Alana. So
Yeah.
talagang
So
pumayat
I don't know
ka
if it
agad.
was maybe because of that. I really do not remember na, Mars. But yeah, when I look back at my pictures, I recovered fastest with Alana, which is really interesting.
Kanino naman yung pinakamatagal mo na recovery? Yung parang tagal na pero tagal
Asher,
kong
and
bumalik
ito
ah.
si Anya.
Okay.
Asher, I took my
dalawang
time
bunso.
kasi nga feeling ko nga na okay, last na yon. So I was really just taking my time. And then wala, I think now it's just like age. Now I think the reality is it's just a little harder, you know?
Yes, yes.
But you know what, Mars? You sabi mo nga na it's really a mental thing.
It
so,
is.
ano nga ba yung mental notes mo when pag tinatamad kayo mag-workout? I'll share with you what
Ganda.
mine is.
Go,
Kayo.
go.
Okay. Mine would be, one way or another gagawin mo to, Camille. So, gawin mo na ngayon kasi kung patatagalin mo to, pag bumalik ka, mas mahihirapan ka.
Okay.
So, yun lang. You just have, 35 minutes of your day? Say an hour. Bigay
Just
mo
do
na.
it.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Okay.
Parang it's, every day I just force myself to do that or convince myself at least that it's still the best thing for myself.
Yes.
Pangalawa kasi dahil nasanay na yung katawan ko, nagdapat ko siyang gawin eh. Ang nagiging struggle ko na lang is that mas mababa yung energy ko. Kumbaga parang kung dati Mars, I will finish that 35-minute workout lang. Sarap! Ngayon yung parang 5 minuto pa. Parang ayoko na. Gusto ko nang give up. That's why I say it's a mental thing.
Yeah.
And then I will push myself to finish that. Pero at the end of it, I'm like, wala na. I will need a nap. I will need a little rest and recovery from that. Unlike before.
Parang wala.
Oo. So parang for me, yun lang din Mars na parang tinatanggap ko na rin na may nagbabago sa katawan
Yeah.
ko. That's why kanina, di ba tinatanong kita, ate, ano na ba yung tamang diet? Kasi hindi ito yung nakasanayan ko. So I just want to be open to the changes that
Yeah.
I
love
can make or I'm about to make kasi nagbabago rin yung katawan ko. Pero yun yung mental note ko, Mars, na parang I'm not gonna give this up. I did not build this discipline or consistency in the past, 6 years of my life only to just throw it away and say, ayoko na.
Yes.
Hindi, I'm not gonna give up that easily just because feeling ko hindi kaya ng katawan ko.
And I love it, Mars, that you've reached that point. Because I know that a lot of people struggle to even start. So it's nice that you're even in this season already where it's like, I've already worked so hard to get here, I can't stop.
I may have gained, 10 pounds or a little more than that, but that's not gonna stop me from giving it all up. Pipilitin ko pa rin bumalik dun sa dati kong weight. It may take a little longer than I used to before, pero di ako titigil. Di ko ito pababayaan. Tumaas pa. Parang gano'n.
Pero Mars, weight na lang yan. Bukod sa, I mean, yes, you may have gained weight, but you're still strong and you're still gonna get stronger.
Kasi
Diba?
bilang,
Yung weight na lang is really something na lang whether gusto mong magbawas or kung gusto mong, diba? Kanya-kanya naman yun eh. Sa'yo na lang yun, Mars eh.
Sa pakiramdam na lang yung hahabulin mo din.
Yes. What's your...
ako yung note ko is nakadiscover na ako ng workout na ginagawa lang sa bahay with dumbbells. Sumusunod-sunod na ako doon sa meron mga fitness influencers na mukhang mga legit naman. And it's like a 20-minute workout. So I tell myself, it's 20 minutes, girl. Everybody's got 20 minutes. So if I can't do a full bar workout because I didn't go out of the house, if I can't go out walking for a long time, yun na lang isipin ko, 20 minutes, kaya mo na yan.
Yes.
Oo,
Yes.
sandali na lang, kakain na naman kayo ng dinner. At least may
Yun.
bangko ka lang prior to
Yes.
that. It's worked, This workout is more effective for me in this season of
So
my
what's
life.
your workout, ate?
Oh, I
if you
just
may
follow
share.
those guys. As in, I have weights. I haven't even graduated much from the 10-pound weight.
Yes, that's good.
Because I used to just carry 2, 3, 4 pounds at bar. So this one is 10. Ganun mga, the usual. Taas kamay, minsan leg day, minsan
yeah.
full body. Tapos may follow lang ako. I think her name's Jasmine Dawn something. Tapos yung mga 20 minutes lang yung workout niya. So 3 rounds of the same thing. You get a 1-minute rest in between rounds. And I felt that my body changed a lot when I was doing that because I kept pushing and I kept insisting na yung dati kong workout should work for me. It still does, pero kulang na siya. Iba na yung kailangan ng body ko, so I needed to add heavier weights.
Yes.
So sometimes I can go 15 if it's like those single work. I don't never know the names of the moves. So I'm so
This
sorry.
thing, this thing.
This thing.
Oh, and then this thing.
This thing. So I can do 15 pero mababa pa rin siya
But 10
compared to
pounds
others.
is actually good,
Yeah.
ate. Lalo
So-
na kung high rep.
Oo,
papagod ka
mga
na niyan.
12, mga 15, medyo marami na yon, di ba?
Yeah.
So that's the one that changed me. So naisip ko, kung 20, girl, kaya mo na to,
What's 20 minutes, diba? And I would love for this to inspire moms out there who might feel like I don't have the time. Kasi minsan that's also what we have. It
Yeah,
might not
yeah.
be what you've planned, but
Yeah.
sometimes if it's all that you have,
Yes.
just
yes.
take it.
As they say, you will make time for what is important.
Yes.
So if you're not making time for it, that means it's not that important to
Oh
you.
my goodness,
tama.
Mars, you can
Ganda nun,
easily waste 20 minutes just
That's
scrolling.
so
Hindi mo
true.
mamamalayan.
Kulang pa. Oo,
Isang
tama.
oras ka na palang nandun.
Gusto niyo mag-scroll din kayo, tapos nag-air squats kayo during
Ito, Marsa, one of the
Pwede.
things that helped me na makatagal sa treadmill, yung takbo, nanonood akong K-drama mo.
Yes, si Hannah din, ganun.
Salpak. Di mo napapansin, naka-1 oras na ako sa treadmill. Ang dami mo ng steps nun, girl.
Nanonood din
Yes.
ako, pero
Natuwa ka
walking
pa.
lang.
Yes.
Ang hirap pa ng K-drama ng...
Walking is so good.
Nagbabasa ka habang tumatakbo. Hirap po na.
Kaya nga mapapaslow down kapag importante na yung exam.
Walking is so good.
the best.
It is.
It's
Nako,
so
the most
good.
underestimated movement.
Binago ko
Sobra.
na siya nga na before if I wanted to drop some weight, I would go running. Ngayon, because iba na rin, because I'm getting older,
Yes.
cortisol is high, whatever, yung stress hormone,
Yes.
walking siya, mas effective na siya sa akin kesa tumakbo.
And can I just say, because you're mentioning the cortisol, stress hormone, the men will never understand.
Oh my God.
They will never understand the stress that we go through as women with each
Nag-iiba
pregnancy
talaga. Oo.
and how our hormones change.
Yeah.
And not even just through pregnancy, but like just getting older.
Yeah,
Yes.
totoo.
It's really our reality.
Yeah.
And
Uy,
it
sila
is
din naman
hard.
may andropause din sila.
Oo,
May
ano ba
shifting
nangyayari
hormones
sa kanila
din
pag nagkakaganon sila, Mars?
Andropause. Kung tayo menopause, may andropause din sila.
So they start at
Talaga
42?
ba?
40 din, mga ganyan?
Yan ang hindi ko
Late
alam.
30s?
Hindi ko, parang mga ganyan, mga 40 siguro. Pero bumababa din yung ano nila, testosterone
like their
level.
libido.
So,
mga
kailangan
ganon.
natin mag-interview ng,
Okay,
ng
okay.
isang pars na
Yes.
willing aminin na nasa andropause period siya. Kasi ang tanong,
That is
parang
the day.
ayaw nilang, parang hindi na sila, hindi yung nag-andropause.
Hindi may energy pa rin ako.
Okay pa ako yung
Ah.
libido ko, okay pa. I don't think any man will be comfortable to be sharing with another man na, bro, grabe, ito yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon. Parang tayo na ganito. I doubt that.
If they do, they're definitely not gonna vodcast.
Oh, for sure.
Sino kaya yung willing na yon? Itago na lang natin siya sa... Tapos naka-blur siya dito.
Naka-blur dito the whole time.
Oo, itatago natin ng
Oh
bigyan
my
na yung
gosh.
privacy na ikikeep naman.
Kaya alam mo, swerte din natin mga girls kasi
Yes,
na-express natin
that's
yung
true.
yung mga emotions, fears, the changes that we go through, frustrations that we have.
That's
and then
true.
celebrating it together na parang, oh, ikaw din ba ganun? And then learning from each other, okay, normal pala yung ganito yung nararamdaman ko.
Yes.
It's helpful to us. I guess the language ng mga boys to each other is different also.
That's true.
They don't need as many words. I mean, technically, they're not even spewing out as many words as women in a day. As in, talagang may limit sila, tas tayo, data pa rin ng dada.
Non-stop eh.
Non-stop talaga. So, I guess we're so grateful to be able to share whatever we have with each other. And for the rest of you guys as well.
And we hope that you guys will also find your circle where you can be comfortable in sharing
Oo.
these things. Nga. Kasi nga, importante nga that you have your people to spill,
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
you know,
true.
to relate
Importante
with,
yun.
Yeah.
people to lift you up.
Yeah.
Susuportahan ka sa
Oo.
mga gusto mong mangyari sa life mo,
Oo.
'di ba? Even if they feel na parang unsure, pero
Yeah.
dahil alam nila na kaya mo at sigurado ka, kailangan you surround yourself with people na alam mong naniniwala rin sa iyo.
Correct.
Yes, and that's why we're here for you guys, because we want to encourage you guys to get fit, not just for yourself, but for your families, for the people that you love.
That's
And I'm
true.
telling you, life is so much more enjoyable when you have the strength
Ay, talaga.
to actually enjoy it.
Yes.
Like when I think about it, Mars, I'm fit not just so that I can do more for my children, but so I can do more with my
Ang
children.
ganda nun.
Ganda niyan.
Di ba,
Super ganda.
Mars?
Ako naman, Mars, yung motivation ko ngayon, gusto ko kapag malalaki na yung mga anak ko, kasi syempre given yun eh, gusto mong ibigay sa kanila the best version of yourself. Kasi syempre deserve naman nila yun. Pero gusto ko rin pag malaki na sila at kami na lang ni VJ, yung kaya pa rin naming bumiyahe, kaya pa rin naming maglakad at mag-enjoy ng buhay. Kasi
Mag-hike.
kahit papano ginawa namin yung kaya namin gawin on our part. Syempre yung sickness or what have you, there are things you cannot control na
Tama.
pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Pero yung kaya namin kontrolin, na ingatan yung sarili namin,
Uh-huh.
na parang love, sana pagdating ng edad na to, nakakabiyahe pa rin tayong dalawa, no?
Exactly.
Because that's one of the best advice na nakuha ko from an older couple. Ang sabi niya sa amin, simple lang. Hanggat kaya niyong bumiyahe, bumiyahe kayo ng bumiyahe. Kasi darating talaga yung panahon that you will get tired, and even if you want to travel, hindi na siya gusto ng o kaya ng katawan mo. So go as much as you can. Eh sa isip ko palagi, syempre when I travel now, I always want to bring my kids with me.
Yes,
Diba?
yes, yes.
So pero wala rin problema yun. Pag-iipunan mo lang.
Oo.
But of course, that's something that I would gladly want to do with my family.
yeah.
Lalo na may energy ka.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. At ngayon, syempre marami tayong realizations about aging, getting older, but staying fit. And of course, it's such a milestone one for you, Mars Iya.
I know!
And we can only wish the very best for you. You are an icon in terms of fitness. And
Grabe naman sa icon.
Fitness in motherhood.
yan,
Totoo, ikaw
Mars.
talaga yung poster
think-
girl
oh my
namin
God.
as in.
Yes.
Oo, sa
Kasi
totoo.
takbuhan ka pagdating sa workout, sa pagpapadede.
Oo.
And a
Funny.
lot of things,
Yes.
Well,
Mars.
after 5 pregnancies, siguro naman may alam si Iya sa
Oo,
mother.
parang pwede na natin siyang sabing expertise niya na ito.
Totoo.
Diba?
Yeah, kaya I want to let our Mars know out there that, you know, that even my doctor nga was scared. And there were times na, you know, I would go out for, ay, wow naman! Oh, the big 4-0.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
milestone
gosh,
birthday. Make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Oh my gosh, look at these numbers. Look at these numbers! Oh my gosh!
Happy birthday! You've always been like a baby to us. Kaya parang, oh my God, nag-40 na si Ian.
Even Drew's like, magka-40 ka na, love. Even my mom's like, anak, magka-40 ka na.
Oh my gosh, it's really
It's such a
good.
milestone. It's really so weird.
Happy
But
birthday,
yes.
girl.
But yes, mamas, come on, let's celebrate life. And I'm here. If you know what, I'm really happy to reply to the mamas out there
Yes.
because I do get a lot of messages on Instagram.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
You know, when you worked out, who's your OB? I want to let you know, my OB was scared.
Yeah.
And she would ask me to not run.
Yeah.
I would tell her, Doc, can I run whatever? Dahil maaga ko tumakbo, tatakbo
Tulog
na
pa
lang
siya.
na ako, tulog pa siya.
Oo.
Magre-reply na lang siya, nakatakbo na ako. So by the time I see my phone, yeah, maybe not yet. Sorry, Doc. Tapos na sabi niyo, oh, kamusta? Did you bleed? Did you feel any pain, any discomfort, or any cramps? And I'd be like, no. And so it actually took a few pregnancies, or maybe one or two, before my doc realized
Sige na.
there's no stopping Iya. I think she knows.
Ako na lang mag-a-adjust.
I think she knows
Sabi
her
niya.
body. So I guess she also had to learn to just trust me, and I also had to learn to trust my body. And if you're good to your body, you will know the cues that it's also giving you. There are times also that I would feel like, oh, okay, teka lang.
Not a good day today.
Okay, I think I gotta slow it down today. There was a time that I did experience like brown spotting, and so I had to slow it down. It was during Christmas season pa. So, you know, that was my reality, and I had to adjust along the way. And so, yes, mamas, respect your bodies, be good to it. It will be good to you too. And believe in what God has blessed you with. And man, our bodies are so amazing.
It is super.
So,
You can
so
really make it
amazing.
strong. You can really make it
So,
strong.
so amazing.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mars.
Happy birthday!
We love you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, mga Mars! Yes, to more podcasts only here on Kami ang inyong mga